In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make high-resolution images using Figma for print and presentations. If you've ever exported an image that looks crisp on your screen but turns blurry in a slide deck or when printed, this walkthrough will help you get consistently sharp results straight from Figma. Start by opening the Figma website in your browser. Once you're in, open your file and navigate to the page that contains the design you want to export. In Figma, a page can hold multiple frames or artboards, so make sure you're looking at the exact frame, component, or element you want to save as an image. A quick tip: select the frame or layer in the left panel or click it directly on the canvas so Figma knows exactly what you intend to export. With your design ready, look to the right-hand sidebar and find the Export section. This is where you control the file type and output quality. Click the Export area to reveal the options, then choose PNG. PNG is ideal for high quality because it preserves crisp edges, supports transparency, and avoids the compression artifacts you might see in JPEGs. It's a great default for both presentations and many print uses. Before you export, glance at the size settings in that same panel. Figma lets you scale the output, which directly affects resolution. If you're preparing images for large screens or print, consider increasing the scale from 1x to 2x or even 3x to generate more pixels. The higher the scale, the larger and sharper your image will be when placed into a slide or sent to a printer. Keep an eye on the pixel dimensions Figma shows to ensure they meet your needs. If your design includes a transparent background, PNG will preserve it. If you need a solid background for printing, make sure your frame has a filled background color before exporting. Also, give your export a clear name so it's easy to find later, especially if you're exporting multiple versions. Once your options are set, click Export. Figma will process the file and prompt you to save it to your computer. After it's saved, you can drop it into your presentation software or share it with your print vendor. If you notice it still looks soft at the size you're using, repeat the export and select a higher scale for extra clarity. And that's it. Open Figma, open your page, choose Export on the right, select PNG for high quality, and click Export for a crisp, reliable image every time.